Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 26th of April 2022 and the topic for the today's video is difference between compiler, assembler and interpreter. This is my first or original video in this particular topic. Now let us see first what is compiler, followed by what is interpreter and assembler, and then we will see the combined difference between the three. Now what is compiler? A compiler is a language translator that converts high-level program into machine-understandable machine codes. In this process, the compiler converts the whole program to machine code at a time. If there are any synthetic or semantic error, the compiler will indicate them. It checks the whole program and displays all error. It is not possible to execute the program without fixing those errors. Now we will see some advantages and disadvantages of the compiler. So the advantages is it produces an executable file that can run without the need for source code. Then it is relatively faster than other language processor. Then using a compiler is more secure because the actual source program can be hidden, which makes it private and secure. Now with advantages, it has some disadvantages too. So its disadvantages is debugging, that is removing error, is relatively tough. The source code need to be recompiled every time there is a change in it requires the code. Now we will see what is interpreter. So an interpreter is a language that translate language translator that converts high-level program into machine code. Unlike compiler, interpreter converts the source code into machine code line by line. As it checks line by line, the scanning time is lower, but the overall execution time is higher. Interpreter displays an error at a time. The programmer should fix that error to interpret the next line. Programming languages such as Python, Ruby, PHP, Perl, etc. are some of the examples of inter-based languages or interpreter-based languages. Now we will see the advantages of interpreter, that it is easy to find and debug error from the code source program. As there is no intermediate object code, there is less memory consumption. It can be easily used between different platforms. Interpreter is good for fast debugging. Now the disadvantages of interpreter is it takes time for converting and executing the instructions line by line. It is less secure for privacy because we need to share the actual program. Now we will see what is assembler. So in addition to high level languages and machine languages, there is another language called the assembly language. Assembly language is in between the high level language and machine language. It is closer to the machine language than the high level language. It is also called a low level language. This language is not easily readable and understandable by the programmer like a high level programming language. The assembler works at a translator in converting the assembly language program to machine code. Now we will see the advantages of assembler. It is very fast translating system software. It is as efficient as the machine language. Developing assembler for translating is easier as compared to compiler and interpreter. And assembler are used in computer forensics, brute force hacking, etc., where it is important to determine exactly what is going on. Now we will see some disadvantages of assembler, that a low level machine language is difficult to understand and code, and it is difficult to debug. Now we will see the combined difference between the compiler, interpreter and assembler on the basis of some parameter. That first we will see on the basis of conversion. It differentiate its that compiler converts the high defined programming language into machine language or binary code, whereas interpreter also converts the program developed code into machine language or binary code, and assembler converts program written in the assembly language to machine language or binary code. Now on the basis of scanning, compiler scans the entire program before converting it into binary code, whereas interpreter translates the program line by line to the equivalent machine code, and whereas the assembler converts the source code into the object code, then converts into the machine code. Now, on the basis of error detection, compiler gives full error report after the whole scan. Interpreter detects error line by line and stops scanning until the error in the previous line is solved, and then the assembler detects the error in the first phase. After fixation, the second phase starts. Now, on the basis of code generation, compiler in case of compiler, intermediate code generation is done. In case of interpreter, there is no intermediate code generation, and whereas in assembler there is an intermediate object code generation. Now we will see the difference on the basis of execution time. Compiler takes less execution time comparing to an interpreter, whereas an interpreter takes more execution time than the compiler, while assembler takes more time than the compiler. Now the examples of compiler is, that is C, C++, Java. Examples of interpreter is Python, Perl, VB, PostScript, etc. And the example of, that is, assembler is JS, JNU, etc. Now with this comparison, we sum up that why compiler is better than the assembler and interpreter. So we say that because of the following reason, that is, compiler translate and execute the code faster than assemblers and interpreters. The compiler converts the code into object file which can be used whenever we need to execute the program. Therefore, it eliminates the need to recompile, and all the errors are found and displayed together at the end. So we can say that the compiler is most efficient than the other, that is interpreter and the assembler. So this is all about the difference between compiler, interpreter and assembler. Thank you.